Hi guys, welcome to Buy Direct. Kev here with another how-to video using our ceramic shield range. So for this video we're using our ceramic infused shampoo. Now this can be used as a standalone product, it can be used as part of a maintenance regime. So the vehicle that we're going to use this on today, it's going to be used as part of a maintenance regime. So it's already had our ceramic MagiSeal applied to it, and it's already had our ultra hybrid spray wax applied to it as well. So we're going to use this to maintain the protection. Now it is a low foam shampoo, so you're not going to get loads and loads of bubbles with this shampoo, but the key is it's still got the active detergents in there, and it's still got the lubrication as well, so it makes the car easy to clean. The important part with cleaning the vehicle is to make sure that the shampoo's got enough lubrication to encapsulate the dirt particles, so it stops them then inflicting swirls on the paintwork. So this works really well for that. Dilution rate on this shampoo is around about 400 to 1. So although some of our shampoos have got a lot higher dilution, this one is relatively low, but you need that sort of low dilution to get the ceramic properties from the shampoo. So 400 to 1 equates to around about 4 capfuls, which is around about 40 ml in one of our full-size detailing buckets. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some into the bucket and just show you what I mean. So if you're going to measure this completely, what you'd want to do is pour it into a cap. Each of these caps contains around about 10 ml. So I'm going to put 4 of those in. Now if you want to agitate the shampoo a little bit more, once you've actually filled the bucket, you then want to put your pressure washer in there just to foam it up a little bit. So it will produce some foam, but like I say, it's a low foam shampoo, it's not designed to be really foamy. Okay, I'm just getting Nick to come in and agitate the bucket for me. Okay, so if you're doing this for the first time, or you're using it on a car that's got no previous protection, you can also do what we call direct emit application, which is basically put some in the bucket, also put a little bit on your mitt. That will increase the amount of foam that you get from the product, and it will increase the amount of protection you get out of it as well. Now if you're using it on a car that's already got protection on there, I would just use it in the bucket. It's a more economical way to use the product, and it will still maintain the protection that's on there. So next I'm going to give it a wash. So obviously we're going to follow the usual safe wash techniques as well. So 2 buckets, 2 grit guards. Nick's going to start from the top and work his way down. So you may see on there that obviously the previous protection is repelling the shampoo, but that's also the ceramic properties of the shampoo as well. So in essence it does repel itself to a degree. So as with a lot of detailing products, you don't want to allow this to dry on the surface, and also you want to avoid applying it in direct sunlight as well. Okay guys, so once you've applied your shampoo, rinse thoroughly, dry off as normal, and then if you then want to go on to apply another coat of your ultra hybrid ceramic wax or any of your other paste waxes that you might have, you can do. Using the shampoo regularly obviously is going to keep your protection level quite high. If you then want to reapply your MagiSeal every sort of 3 or 4 weeks, you can do as well. That'll also boost your protection. These products are designed to work primarily with the Ceramic Shield family of products, so they will work with a lot of our other products in the range, but you will get the best durability by using the Ceramic Shield products. So if you've not used it before guys, give it a go. Even as a standalone shampoo, works really well. Thanks for watching.